Yeah, man. It's a part 2. Don't check off your truck money. Yeah, man. So go back again now. All the earnings going on truck back. We're going to start back. We still are continuing on the same topic. But we'll go back and we'll start with the start and the first part. Don't check off your truck money. Truck make money. You understand? The truck make money. What you get to keep. That I don't want to know. That is a next thing. That are the other part. Making the money and not saving the money are two different things. Make money, see money over here, sir. You want to put it over here so you can put it in your account, so you can have it for use, you can do take it for buy house, car, anything you want over here, sir. No, or you get it from here, sir, good business, sir. Not easy in this business. Remember now, 50% of the earning go back to the truck. You understand what I'm saying to the them? So, why we do this business here? Because we love it. The love for this business. But I'm saying, you know, other man can argue otherwise because some man get some better run. Some man get some good company who pay good money. See, but most of these companies, like, I would say like 70%. It's break even. Break even. Them just, you just get enough, you buy your gas oil. Here the side man them save. You buy your 2 tire. Save. That means say you go on, you want tire, you start put on your logo 10 grand. Zine, 2 tire want, you know, 100 grand. Almost 100 grand for 2 tire. You go and put on your logo 10 grand. When you reach, you go at the tire place and you go buy your tire, and I like say you have wag of money for those stuff. So as me that said to you know, how we have money is this. The bank come in, I think now, and the bank start giving them money. The bank give them credit card. You understand? So we can go to the gas station, we can buy the gas sign. Tire place, can buy the tire. Can go to Louis, Fleet Master. Run the credit card, get the one. So things are legitimized. And we turn legit and now, like, you see, alright, you see, first of all, in our first part, the trucking was a kind of underworld thing, and it still is, you know. Because well, per man, no really, like, no, you know, yeah, we just don't want to come up over some. We just want to stay right as where the body go. And we can stay and look up. But now, the bank coming in and the government running, so we have to register with business and pay up for taxes and a bag of thing. See, the bank come in and say, yo, see money them man, I own us, say man, buy on a pretty truck, man, I run truck, I want to keep trucking is a must, you know. You must have to have truck, you know, brother. If not truck, the supermarket them can't full. Nothing at all, you have to have truck, so. Do the trucking thing, man, see money there. The bank, we are living off on, but I feel like, man, I make money off a truck and, alright. We make our money to live. What me do with my money? Me name and drink it out. Me name go ahead check and name some big broad fish. Long broad so. Broader than me how me can't see me on there. So you can't see me on there. Yeah, because the truck will give a good run. So the truck give a good run, or you get one good 6 months. And you come to braps and liquor and mill. It does liquor engine. And mill and mash with an engine. So what happened this now? Subs! That was me gone! Yeah. So me said to my brethren them, don't check off the truck money, brethren. It not gonna make no sense when you say, oh yeah, your truck makes $10 million and you have $200,000 in your bank book, brother. You frost out, you say, you know, make no sense. I never go. Go to the Bailey drive. Yeah. It don't make no sense. A man will tell me, say, imagine say me left a truck out every work then. And me there foreign. And me come back out so that's why enough man worry man, you know. And me comes a brown man check my books and run my statement and say, blood clot. I'm sorry, but sorry. I want to have to go on to it. I want to have to run. Go on. Excuse my language. And look and say, Chuck make some money star. And then me check my account and see I said that nothing for me. You know man go to war. Cause this don't make no sense we are tell me say right now, old boy. Oh me chuck for make that and me have that. That can't make a sense. Yeah. So we have to understand the business. Yeah, to even understand it, you're in trouble. It's not what the amount, it's not the amount of money you earn, it's the amount of money you save. Oh, you save it, you have a skill. Skillfulness to the business and you can save money and you go alright. Skillfulness. Not more than that. Skillfulness in general. So watch you now. Nah, keep that one along, you know.